Hi, my name is Pearl Mendonça. I'm the Wellness Education Coordinator at the Student Wellness Center. So traveling abroad, whether it's for an academic experience or personal travel, can be really exciting. We always look forward to the friends that we're going to meet, all the new experiences that we're going to have, and it's a really great opportunity. Oftentimes, the one thing that we sometimes forget to think about that can impact our experience is our health, and so that's what we're going to talk about a little bit today. So experiencing health issues abroad can be a scary thought for some people and requires some pre-planning on your part to learn about the resources that are available to you. So even if you're in good health now, it's really important to know, in case any unforeseeable circumstances occur, that you know the supports and resources that are available to you as you're traveling. Before you go, take a look at the section on health under the Successful Applicants section of the International Student Services website. This will give you a number of resources and links that you can check out to learn more about what you can do to take care of your health while you're away. So the first thing to note about health is that health is not just about your physical health, it's also about your emotional health and your mental health. And obviously all of those things impact each other. So when we're talking about health, we're talking about a more holistic view of health. One way to stay healthy abroad is to keep doing the things that you're doing right now to take care of your health. So that includes eating well, exercising, managing stress levels, getting a lot of sleep, socializing with friends. All of these things will help you during your time away, as well as while you're here. When you first arrive at your new destination, it may be hard to achieve all of these things right away. So be patient, give yourself some time, and definitely, if you're looking for support, make sure that you do reach out for that support. Before you go, you're encouraged to visit your doctor, your dentist, and your optometrist to make sure that everything is okay in different areas of your health. Appointments like that may take a bit of time to book, so make sure that you're doing that at least 3 months in advance. It also would be great to know about the health and counseling opportunities that are available to you while you're abroad. So is there an opportunity for you to link with your campus health center, or a wellness center within the community that you're living? Having that information with you ahead of time will help you to be more prepared in the case that you need that particular service when you're abroad. Depending on the destination, you may or may not need different travel vaccinations to the country that you're traveling to. Some of these vaccinations are taken in set doses, so it'll be important to link with a doctor or travel doctor to learn more about those vaccinations that you might need. It's also important to take a look at the Public Health Agency of Canada's website, which lists some of the concerns for the country that you'll be traveling to, if there are any in regards to health. So that could be a really important resource to check out in the case that you need that. Even if there are not any specific vaccinations that you might need for the country that you're traveling to, be sure to still make an appointment with your doctor to ensure that all of your routine immunizations and booster shots are up to date before you travel. If you're currently taking any prescription medications, be sure to plan to take an extra supply of those medications with you, as well as an extra pair of prescription glasses if necessary. It might be important to get a doctor's note as well for the prescription medications that you're taking. Be aware that not all prescription medications are legal in every country that you might travel to. Also remember that other countries carry different brands of personal hygiene items, so you may not be able to find the items that you are most used to at home. It would be great to carry some of those items with you, and they could be simple things like tampons or condoms. Before you go, start putting together small items such as Band-Aids, aspirin, or Gravol for some of those small health emergencies while you're away. Although preparation is the best way to stay safe, keep in mind that practices such as drug use, needle injection, or unprotected sex can be risky whether you're in Canada or whether you're abroad. Read up on your destination, not just for travel tips and vacation planning, but also to learn about potential risks in the area that you're traveling to and any prevalent diseases. The more information you have, the better prepared you'll be for your trip abroad. Just as important as it is getting your flight ticket, your study permit, and saving money, Health insurance is a required travel document, and everyone must get health insurance before they travel abroad. In Ontario, residents use the Ontario Health Insurance Plan, OHIP, and international students use UHIP. What all students need to know is that OHIP or UHIP is not enough when traveling abroad. These plans cover very little internationally and cannot be used as a student's main health insurance plan. So students are required to purchase additional health insurance that will cover them for the duration of their trip, from their date of their departure to the date of return. Remember also that if you're out of the country for more than 7 months, you will need to notify OHIP of your absence via a letter from your school explaining that absence. This is so that you can access OHIP with no interruption when you return from your time abroad. When purchasing health insurance, be sure to purchase a plan that is comprehensive, taking into consideration your health, your habits, your lifestyle, and the destination that you're traveling to. The cost of medical treatment can be extremely high internationally, and access to the quality of care that you're used to can be difficult. The type and quality of insurance that you purchase will reflect in the services and support that you'll receive in the case that something happens abroad. For outgoing McMaster students, a comprehensive health insurance plan includes, at a minimum, repatriation insurance in the case of sudden injury or death, emergency health insurance for hospitals or x-rays, and non-emergency health insurance, which could include any changes in condition. In addition to the required health insurance inclusions, students should also review and understand the various risk areas that may void their health insurance coverage in some instances. These include pre-existing health conditions, accidents occurring under the influence of drugs and alcohol, participation in high-risk activities, notification of government travel warnings, and anything else listed under the insurance exclusion section of your health plan. When purchasing a health insurance policy, students should check with their host university abroad to see if there are mandatory or recommended health plans that may be available for purchase. Some countries may have a national health plan that students can access while abroad, while others will not. Some students may have sufficient coverage through a parent, and other students may have to purchase through an external insurance provider. The thing to remember with all of these plans is that it is your responsibility to review these plans to ensure they are comprehensive to your needs. In the case they are not, it is important to then purchase supplemental health insurance for any shortcomings. If you're not sure what your health insurance policy includes, call the insurance provider and ask. Finally, before you leave for your trip abroad, be sure to leave a photocopy of your health insurance documents and policy numbers at home with a family member or friend. While traveling abroad, you should always have the emergency contact card of your insurance provider tucked away in your wallet in case of an accident. If something does happen, when possible, be sure to call your insurance provider before receiving any services or as soon as possible to ensure coverage. If you require any further information, please feel free to visit us at the Student Wellness Center, and we're located in Musk B101, and you can contact us at extension 27700.